Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Recursive methods look intimidating, but we can solve this string problem quickly. Let's trace the code and find the correct output together now. First, notice the method takes the string watch and finds its length. Since 5 is greater than 1, it creates a substring from index 0 to length -1, removing h. Next, the code prints WATAC and calls itself again with that new string. This pattern repeats, stripping the last character and printing the result until the length is only 1. Finally, the recursion stops when the string length is no longer greater than 1. This leaves us with the sequence WATC, WAT, WA, and W. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust the given code and check your steps for D.